like the EV development is right now the best in the world, robotics as well, AI as well is doing extremely well. Those are all areas of great success happening in China. I'm really keen to see all this technology develop and being shared with the rest of the world, and also sharing the great innovation in the rest of the world coming to China as well, and benefiting the whole society.
Well, China is very well known for its rapid development in the last decade or so, and the exhibits here demonstrate some of the exciting new avenues that research has driven development in engineering and technology. We all have global problems in health, in environment, in the development of AI and technology to serve society, in employment and economics. So these are all global problems that technology can address and should address. And so this sort of event helps us recognize what the future may bring.
And I think international cooperation in science and technology is a key to resolve many problems we have. I think the model they use China for cooperation is a very good model because they always foresee the equal development between countries and the approach to win-win and with no political pressures. I think China's role in this development could be very important in the next years.